Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So let's solve this algebra math question. But before I proceed, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. So now we have root 2x over x is equal to 3. Now we're asked to solve. Okay, let's go this way. To solve this, we're going to do what? Let's cross multiply. Okay, this is over 1. When you cross multiply, you have 2, that's root 2x is equal to 3 times x, you have what? 3x. This is root 2x times 1, that's root 2x is equal to 1. So now to eliminate this square root here, we will square both sides. So to square both sides, we do this root 2 squared, root 2x square this part is equal to 3x. Then also what? Square here. This squared has cancelled the square root. We are left with 2x is equal to this, that is 3 squared and 2x. That is what? We have 9x squared. So we have 2x is equal to 9x squared. Okay, let's make this a formal equation. Bring this to the right hand side, that making it a minus 2x. So let's now collect the like terms. What is the common factor between this? We have x, open bracket, 9x squared divided by x. What we have left is 9x minus 2x divided by x. We have 2. Okay, so this means that x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 9x minus 2 is also equal to 0. So we can see that 9x is equal to 0. When this minus moves here, it becomes plus 2. That's equal to 2. So now 9 is equal to what? 2 over 9. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or 2 over 9. That is our answer. Okay? Bye-bye. See you in my next video.